Sire Wabbit.
What?
Hi.
Hi. You got
Sir.
you got a porn stash, dude.
Like who? Like Ron Jeremy? Wait. Are we talking about Ron Jeremy or Peter North porn
I
stash?
don't know. You just look at it. It's Richtofen. Look at him. He's got a porn stash.
Oh.
Down again.
No.
What's that? This dog's butt is like directly in my face.
I'm gonna die.
Don't you like
Using your
dog
back.
asshole?
Okay, I'm fine.
I'm stuck in a corner.
Well, there's this thing called you're gonna die, so yep.
Oh.
Hi.
Hey.
Ready up, ready up, up, ready up, ready up, ready up, up.
Can I jump in there?
No.
Maybe if I get like a
No.
Nope,
Dude,
not working.
you don't even want me to know what you don't even want me to tell you what you sounded like you were doing.
Sound like taking a fat dump, dude.
Yeah, you sound like you're going poop.
I got 2 shotguns. I heard whose door was that?
Probably.
That was in the game.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it
It didn't
was.
come out of my TV.
I gotta go pick up his sorry ass again.
Yeah, just a little bit.
No, I think I'll let you die. I think you're past due. Never mind.
You okay?
What was that?
Do it real hard. Extreme, stop dying!
Okay. Oh, that's a lot of them. That motherfucker. I can cover you. Don't worry. I promise. I'm not gonna be like that fiberless. I cover you, and they'll just sit there and go, "Oh, candy bar. Oh, candy bar."
That's you.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
never mind.
wait, I'm about to go down extremes. Thought you were covering me. Oh, you weren't covering
I got
me.
you. I got 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 this.
You got me? You got me?
Yep.
You got me? You sure about that?
Well, I was getting you up, and then you moved. You crawled away.
I'm crawling towards the light.
Oh.
Stop going down, dude. Come on.
You two need to stop being down buddies.
Not my fault. I have Down syndrome.
Okay, I went down.
Oh, I can see Brady through the wall.
Boo! Did I scare you?
Scared me.
Wait. Go behind the wall. Sit right here, right? Sit right here.
Mhm.
All right. Now crouch. Crouch. Now look at me. And you guys go on the other side of the wall. Oh, never mind. In the middle of a round. Never mind. Fuck that.
Oh, it's your fault.
Sorry. Oh, shit. Can you cover me?
Okay, now.
Okay, alright, here we go.
Oh,
Now I'm trusting you. Cover me, right?
I'm trusting you
I got
covered
you,
me,
I
right?
got
Right? Ooh.
Hey. Well, I bet you're having a bad game.
Nah, I'm having a bad day. You had a bad day.
But you're not allowed to sing your sad song because
Aw.
they'll kill you.
Just to turn it around?
No, they will not need to turn it around. If it's not already turned around, you can't turn it back around. Hey, stop choking on it over there. Come on. They're friends and family in this party. What?
Oh.
I hope you die. I hope you die, Extremes. Die.
I was gonna come get you.
Took you a year to do it.
Hey, I want to make sure that it's safe.
I'm terrified. Ah! Hey, Renzi, come get me.
I think Renzi's going try hard.
He's going try. Stop it! You're making me cough.
What the fuck?
I don't
dude?
know why. Whenever you cough, it makes me want to cough.
I want that.
Look at that. It's just.
I want that. Oh no! Not again!
Fuck!
No! I die every
Kieran.
time on this fucking round. Not fucking you.
Push!
I get through. Oh. I'm okay.
I got fucked in the ass by that dog. Renzi just dropped down the hole and
Well-
walked down the stairs.
Good game. Good game.
Well, every fucking time round goddamn motherfucking to the 19.